Hi guys, what a beautiful day. Really surprising, since yesterday we had snow and it was cold and bleak, but the sun's out today, following day, and all the snow has melted, but it's left quite a bit of flooding everywhere. Anyway, I thought I'd come out for a bike ride and get some exercise and some fresh air in the sun while it lasts, and you know me, take a little bit of photography. Hopefully it comes out. I'll let you be the judge of that. Anyway, hope you're staying safe and keeping yourselves all nice and warm, and also getting some exercise, which is really important. Anyway, I thought I'd bring you along for my small adventure, and I'll catch you soon. As I said, there's been quite a bit of flooding from yesterday's snow. I don't know if you can see that on the left there. A lot of the fields have got a large expanse of water, of which the birds like. And if we look over to our right, or my right, there's a car coming by. As you can see, quite a bit of water, quite a bit of flooding.
Give me your strength and show me your weakness. We're in this together now. We're in this together now. Give me your love and tell me your secrets. 'Cause we're in this together now. Yeah, we're in this together now. I'll keep you safe, I'll give you my everything. Even if we're falling down, even if we're falling down, all of me is yours, every part of me. 'Cause we're in this together now, you and me together now. What's the point?